Centering pregnancy is a form of prenatal care. It's group prenatal care where moms come together who are all due in the same month.
The cool part about centering is moms actually get to engage in their own personal health data. So moms come in, they take their vital signs, they're checking their own blood pressures, they're checking their own weights, and they're recording the data in a centering pregnancy notebook that they get. The patients still get to have that one-on-one time with the provider, so that's awesome, and that's done privately. So at that time, the provider will take them into an exam room, do a belly check, listen to the heart tones, and that's a space for the patient to discuss with the provider something that they don't feel comfortable with discussing in a group.
Once health assessments are complete, the provider and support staff circle up with moms and support people. They lead facilitative discussions and interactive activities designed to address important and timely health topics while leaving room to discuss what is important to the group.
It's essentially a way for moms to come together and experience community.
This model has been shown to lead to greater engagement, learning, and self-confidence.
The Centering Health Institute have actually done studies that have shown that moms that are in our centering program have healthier babies, fewer preterm labors, and just better outcomes with their pregnancy.
I had a baby that was premature, so learning that centering helps to reduce that risk of premature birth and maternal morbidity and mortality, it became super personal for me. The whole point of centering is to try and reduce those risk factors for preterm delivery and problems and complications with moms. And so if we can be a part of that, I think it's something really special.
Centering is just an amazing, awesome program for expected mothers and families, even dads. I really wish that it was available for me when I was pregnant. I feel like it really would have helped me out a lot. There's so many impactful interactions that I've had with these moms. I really feel like the big thing for me is just seeing them come into this prenatal program as strangers and not knowing each other. And by the end of the centering program, once they get to their, their due date, these girls are like best friends. They're bonding together, they're going out on play dates together, they're hanging out, going to dinner.
The whole program is an impact, not just on me as a practitioner, but for them as well.
We have great incentives and we feed you guys really, really well. Centering rocks.
I've learned about the centering program through Primary One Health. I decided to participate in the program because I feel like it was very important for me to learn. I guess since I'm a first-time mom, I just wanted more information on the journey of pregnancy.
I felt very in control of my pregnancy and the journey and my health. I would come in here and Ebony would ask us questions, and if I had a problem or a health concern, she would immediately fix it, no matter what the issue was. It would be solved.
The whole program itself was helpful because it creates a space for many women to come and be educated and learn more things about themselves and their body and babies and just get help. They also help you with, things that you need, like diapers and stuff. You never know what you'll need until you need it.
I got to experience friendships that I never had before, getting to experience the same pregnancy symptoms or different pregnancy symptoms as the other mothers.
I had dealt with postpartum depression in a way, so I feel like that with the senior program, they did introduce me to that and educate me a little bit more on it, so I was able to identify what I was going through.
Even if you felt alone at home, you knew that you wasn't alone here. You would have the group chat that we had. We would, constantly check up on each other. Even now, after everybody's had their babies, we would, check up on each other every week or every other day. Me and another mom has became friends on Facebook and has planned play dates. So getting the friendship was the best.
I want to congratulate our team with Centering Pregnancy for their outstanding work to help moms through their pregnancies. We look forward to continuing to serve moms in our community each and every year. Our Centering Pregnancy program is excellent and helps us to provide healthy and happy babies and moms.